In today's video, I'm going to be painting my brother's EF hatch, light turquoise, from Rust-oleum Advanced Formula. Let's go ahead and get started with how I made it look minty fresh. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, definitely consider subscribing. So today we're painting my brother's 1990 EF hatch using the Rust-oleum Advanced Formula light turquoise. This is just basically from Walmart, $5 a can. We have 7 cans total, so we're going to see if all 7 cans will be enough to do the whole car, which it should be, because it is in desperate need of a paint job. It's a 30-year-old car. He paid $1,100 for the car. Other than the paint, it's in really good shape. In the last week that he has owned it for 7 days as of today. And he's already lowered it, got brand new brakes, did a good tune-up on it, and got the window brow, painted the wheels, stuff like that, and it's looking really good, but the paint is just killing it. So he's going to be out there wet sanding the car down today. This was kind of a last minute thing, so he didn't know that I wanted to record the whole process, so he's out there wet sanding, and I got a couple little clips for you. But I'm going to let him finish up wet sanding, and then we'll go from there. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Alright, so my brother's back here. I was busy. He's back here getting things done. He got the hood done. It looks absolutely beautiful. Looks really good. And he's over here doing the wing, making it look good, getting his practice in. I'm going to be doing the rest of the car, but he needed to get some practice, and as you can see, it's looking really good. So this should just be proof that anybody can do this. So we're going to go ahead and let that dry up, obviously, while we go do the rest of the car. So let's get to it. All right, so my brother is going to get this all taped up, plasticed up, and prepped and ready. Got the garage floor ready, so that way the overspray doesn't get everywhere. It's just easier to do it this way. He's going to plastic up everything on the engine bay as well. And then he already scuffed all the plastic bumpers. We will be using adhesion promoter for the front bumper and rear bumper. Since they're plastic, you want the paint to stick real well. That's the best way to get them to stick. And so he's going to do all that. I got to go do some errands real quick, and then once it's prepped, we'll go from there. Alright, so my brother got it all prepped. It's looking really good. He's got it all taped up. We have the door cracked a little bit so we can get into this spot. Not a big deal. He's planning on doing door jams at another time. Not right now. So he got it all wiped down with isopropyl water mixture, and got all the wheels covered, and everything's good to go. Last night he ended up painting in there with all the bumper off and stuff. That way we wouldn't have to take it all off during this. But we got the fans pulling air out. I'm going to be wearing a respirator, so is my brother, and everything's going to be good to go. So basically just going to shake up all the cans and start laying it down. Hope you guys enjoy. right, we just got the last of it done. It looks really, really nice. Has a real even finish. And the thing I love about this advanced formula as opposed to the 2X rustoleum is the advanced formula actually dries just a little bit slower. So it allows you to get an even finish. Like on the roof, it was the most difficult part because it's the largest panel. And it came out so even and smooth because it dried slower. But yeah, it's looking pretty good. But I'm going to use some movie magic, snap my fingers, and when I snap my fingers, it'll all be put back together, and then we'll walk through it. So here we go. All right, here it is. Looks really nice, has a really nice gloss finish to it. And there are some bugs that decided to land in it, but they're not, it wasn't when it was super wet, still just a little tacky. So once that's fully dry, we can just wipe them off and it'll be good to go. But that's what we get for not having an actual paint booth. But it looks awesome all the way through. There is no 2K clear over this, so you can achieve these really gloss-like results just with the advanced formula. Now this does last, I know for a fact, 4 years minimum without fading horribly if you take care of it, waxing it and all that stuff. If you were to put a ceramic coat on it, I'm sure it would last even longer. But I personally know this exact color from advanced formula that does last for years without chipping or anything like that, as long as it's properly prepped. But yes, this is dented and broke. That's how he got it. We are trying to locate one. They're super hard to find for the EFs for cheap. We found one on eBay for 200 bucks, but we think that's a little pricey for just a little piece right here, which we've picked up in the past at salvage yards for like 20 bucks or less. And so that's still got to get replaced, but it's easy to color match. But the rest of it turned out really nice. He tinted the taillights very lightly with a 2K clear over them, and when they're on, they're super bright, and in the daytime they look really nice. If you're wondering about these air holes, the speed holes, when he put the relocated tag over, it kind of blocks some of the radiator, so this will allow the air to get in and keep it from overheating, which it doesn't have overheating issues, but I also think they look cool. And we're racers, we know. But that actually has a function. And when he turbos, if he turbos, that will definitely cool down the half-size radiator a lot better, because I had to have something similar to this on my EF hatch. But I love how it looks. My brother's super happy with it, and we only used 6.5 cans on this entire thing. Yeah, it looks really nice. You guys can achieve these same results. The only thing I recommend is 320, 400 grit. If there's a lot of issue with the paint, you're probably gonna have to go down to like 120 and work your way up to 320, 400. He's been at it all day. He's literally sunburnt. He's been out in the sun, wet sanding and everything. So yeah, it was a long process for him, but the results speak for itself. Comes out super nice.
Definitely. In love. Lilith is happy.
Yes, her name's Lilith, by the way. And the headlights are actually 2K cleared, just like I did in my previous video. We had some left over, so we just decided to hit it. But this thing's looking so nice. And we definitely have more in store for it, so definitely subscribe to this channel and my other channel if you guys are interested in this kind of thing. But we're going to go ahead and get off here. We got a little bit of a mess to kind of clean up still. Nothing too major, but if you guys liked the video, please hit the like button and watch some of my other videos. I have a playlist made of more spray can type content similar to this. The channel's been hit really bad lately with some copyrights. They were royalty-free songs, so I shouldn't be getting copyrights, but I am because someone's going out and buying all the licenses and hitting every YouTuber. It's not just me. So it's really affecting the channel. So if you guys could just go and watch some of the other videos, give them a like, drop a comment on them, it'd help a lot, and we'd greatly appreciate it. But we'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned, subscribe if you're new here, and as I like to say, God bless, stay safe, stay awesome.